Sure, hello students, once again welcome back to MIP classes. Now today we are going to start the new journey at the best journey of ybatch on MIP official platform for learning of becoming the best creator of the world batch. Now today I have chapter 3rd. This is the fractional number and fundamental operations. So today we are going to be talking about the numbers have which is working on the fundamental operation. This is the most important chapter have. So everyone firstly keep the heading by the descriptions everything. Firstly we need to be understand the highlighted topic, highlighted mean of the some given task. Then after all we will talking about the given another structure which is helpful and very important for you. Okay, let's understand here fractional number and fundamental operation. Chapter name here, right? Okay, fractional, okay, number and everyone be continue focus. Fractional number and fundamental operation. Fundamental operation. All right, here you can easily speak operations. This is a chapter 3rd have, no need to be by a tagging of the chapter which one have. Understand the mean fractional number fundamental operations. So firstly I want to tell you what is the mean of the fraction. Understand fraction means here, firstly heading is coming, what is fraction. All right, so firstly everyone note down what is the fraction. Everything very deep understand, just because it is very helpful, not lightly taking. Fraction firstly understand when number, okay, when any number quantity, when any number quantity and object is divided into equal parts, equal parts, one or more of such equal parts as is known as fraction. All right, known as fraction. It is formed as here side, it have, okay, it is formed as x over y, okay, x over y, understand, and where y cross than 0, understand. This is a mean have, you can ever all writing this as a subscription. Understand one more time, understand firstly chapter name given fractional number and fundamental operation, main topic is. Then here asking what is the mean of the fraction. So when any number quantity and object is divided into equal parts, one or more of such equal parts is known as fraction. This is a learning base have, you will have to learn and how fraction form have, how to write have. So x over y means x upon y in this we have writing here. Y means have, y is a could double have 0, understand. Hope you very well satisfied. Now we are going to be talking about if fraction have, so fraction types also have, yes or no. How many types of the fraction, that's going to be tell you. Firstly everyone note down, if you written well, so you easily one time pause the video and take out the well. We are going to be talking about the types here, types of fractions. Keep the heading types of the fraction. Then we are going to be talk one by one, the naming wise. How many types have, everything I will tell you. All right, just a minute only give to me. Firstly write beta proper fraction. First is proper fraction. Their disclaimer description also I will offer you. Proper fraction. And second coming then improper fraction. Improper fraction. Third, if you will talk about then mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Another is equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Okay, equivalent fraction. Yes, right here. Equivalent fraction. FRECTION. Okay, then reciprocal fraction. Here side have. Reciprocal fraction. Reciprocal fraction. Very simple task, have sir. Very deeply understand. I will explain how you can be find everything. You looking on your screen. Mostly this is important. Have another exercise, not any. Have those is not for you. We are talking about the types of the fraction. So literally you looking on your screen. There are 5 types of the fractions. First matter. Naming have proper fraction. Learn with me. Proper fraction, improper fraction. Then here have mixed fraction. Then here have equivalent fraction. Then here have reciprocal fraction. Very important topic है. Understanding level, you need to be very deep, understand how you can be verify the given task and the terms, right? It's just a coincidence how we can verify, how can we literally find the real mean of the given task. Like here given types of the fraction. So first answer is coming out here. The type there are 5 types of the fraction. Naming have proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, reciprocal fraction. Another is coming equivalent fraction. This kind of series sequence you can easily tell here. Yes, so here we have talked the firstly what is fraction, secondly we talk types of the fraction. Now we need to be understand what is the proper fraction, what is improper fraction, and what is the reciprocal fraction, what is the mixed fraction, what is the equivalent fraction. Everything we need to be descriptions talking, whatever need to understand. Yes, need to understand. We have to check the right valuation, right? So here we need to be find everything detail wise. So it is this thing. If you written have, so it's okay. Okay, just give to me only minute. All right, I have one plan. Okay, just only understand here. Only literally second give to me. Okay. All right. First side you looking here. First number heading is proper fraction. So this we are carrying here. First is proper fraction. Okay. What is proper fraction? Very deep understand, sir. Very deep understand. Okay. You easily can play the best things. Understand. Proper fraction here. What is the proper fraction? Detailed study. Everything very cool study. Very good study. Let's find here. In the numerator. In numerator. Okay, numerator what is have, denominator what is have. This also I will tell you. If you know, so it's okay, not more than very good, I will tell you here. Right, in the numerator is less than, is less than. Okay, here denominator of a, denominator of, okay, of a, here side fraction of a fraction, then fraction is called, then fraction is called, all right, then fraction is called proper fraction. Very deeply thing understand. I will talk about the very most important proper fraction. All right, how can we deliver this thing? Need to understand. Their example here given is 8 over 14, 11 have, comma, 4 over 9 have, comma, 19 over 27 have, etc. Okay, very deep understands what is saying. Number first, you're looking on your screen here given proper fraction. So proper fraction in numerator is less than denominator of in a fraction have this thing very deeply understand. We will talk about the most essential thing. In a numerator is less than. Firstly, understand what is numerator have. The most important topic is what is numerator have. So you're looking on your screen 8 upon 11 given. 8 upon 11 have. So I want to tell you this is called numerator, which is on the top side have, so it's called the numerator. Okay, and downside which in have, so it's called the denominator. Understand? Upside is called the numerator and downside is called the denominator. Alright, very simple task have. Upside numerator, down D for denominator. So basic thing understanding downside which one thing have, those is called the denominator. Which thing upside have, those thing is called the numerator. So basic fundamental of understanding is numerator upon denominator. Here question saying, definition saying numerator is always less. Less means understanding, means small have. Which thing is small? Numerator. Looking here 8 is small have or not? Numerator is small have. Here saying then denominator. Denominator is larger have but numerator is smaller have. So when your numerator is smaller and denominator higher have, then usually understand this is called the proper fraction. Understand? In numerator is less than and denominator of a fraction, then fraction is called the proper fraction. Always only remember one thing, whenever your numerator is small have, matter understand, when your numerator is small then denominator, so in that case you understand this fraction is called the proper fraction. Basic thing understanding, no need to be extra thing there side, just stop, because the reason is that which one thing come, those is literally happenable have. If your numerator is smaller, so your proper fraction have. All right, example here given 8 upon 11. 11 is a greater have denominator, 8 is a smaller have numerator, 4 is numerator is smaller have, 9 is a greater have denominator, 19 is smaller have numerator and 27 is a greater have denominator. So etc. It's kind of the more come easily you can be defined it best. Okay, so hope you understand very good what is the proper fraction. Okay, now we are going to be talking about the improper fraction. This thing understand. All right, need to be practiced continuously guys. Just a minute, give me only. All right. My personal target is I will give you my very best thing. Okay, and hope I'm giving also. Understand? Second is going to be talk about what is improper fraction. Basic 6 understand, then you can easily perform your very best. I know just teachers tells only the way how you can be go. Yes, and you have to go by your own self. And I know very well students hard worker have, and you are very good hard worker. You can do whatever you like to do. I know very good, right? Okay, come on the topic and easily drop to understand here. What's saying improper fraction? Improper fraction here, student, a fraction whose I'm sorry, I'm using blue marker. Okay, a fraction that's better, full erase and black spot here use. A fraction, okay, a fraction whose, okay, numerator is, whose numerator is, okay, equal or greater, equal or greater. A fraction whose numerator is equal or greater, okay, greater than denominator is called improper fraction. An improper fraction you can speak, okay, because I have starting, so you can speak is called an improper fraction. Improper fraction, basic 6 understand. Here example I'm going to be talk about. So example A right here, 17 over 2 have 12, right, 2 very small have, and another is 12 over 7 have, another is 18 over 5 have, etc. Understands? Very simple task. First number we have discussed what is proper fraction. Secondly going to be talk about what is improper fraction, those understand. Saying here a fraction whose numerator, already I told you what is numerator. So a fraction whose numerator equal or greater, a fraction whose numerator is greater or equal, then denominator is called improper fraction. Means your denominator have, your numerator have, so even greater have, numerator greater have, and denominator is smaller have, like this. So this is called improper fraction. And if your denominator and numerator both are equal, so this also known as improper fraction. Understanding? When numerator and denominator both equal coming, then this also known as the name of improper fraction. And whenever your numerator is greater than denominator have, then also this is called the improper fraction. So simply understand, like 17 upon 12, 17 upon 12 is your improper fraction, just because your numerator is a greater and denominator is a smaller have. Second is 12 upon 7, 12 looking on your screen, 12 what is have here student, 12 is your numerator which is greater than your smaller have values is denominator have. And 7, 18 you looking on your screen, 18 is the numerator and greater have, and 5 is the denominator have, a smaller have. Very normal text understanding. Whatever you did talk about that, like a 12 over 12. Okay, so this is also denominator this is also improper fraction, just because their numerator, their denominator both are equal have, both are same have. So whatever the result comes out the same have, this is also known as improper fraction. Whatever result coming numerator is a greater than denominator, this also will be called the which thing, understanding, which thing, improper fraction. Alright, we are going to be talking about the mixed fraction. So I think in this session this is enough. Even will be long process go. We will take the another one session where side part second we will join their side easily. We will talk about the mixed fraction and equivalent fraction, reciprocal fraction. So you need only the proper practice and continuously on the MEB classes official platform. And this all topics, this all sections you will find on the community section. Like community section you will go, so their side I will upload this whole session. Okay, so you can easily hashtag give MEB classes. Okay, hashtag MEB classes. Okay, for your better experience I want to tell you MEB classes is one of the most and first can't we say, but one of the most platform, one of the most channel have which is very growing fastly on MEB classes official tag on YouTube. Okay, just because your support and English language. So everyone keep continue same support to growing day by day. Very good. Now we are excited to be finding the best series, finding the best result on every social network areas. Thank you best. And we continuously practice day by day, regularly practice. If any kind of the problems coming in your education life, so I'm always with you. I'm always aggressive for your result. I'm always aggressive for you to giving my very best. Thank you so much to joining the session of MEB official platform, Eklavya batch mission 2023. Jai Hind.